Okay, Bobcats, back. Just got an aluminum can here. Trying to boil some water there. Gotta get nice and hot, so we're increasing the temperature. Okay, we have a certain volume of our aluminum can, 12 ounces. Not sure how many milliliters that is. Getting nice and hot. Till you see a little bit of steam coming out of the mouth there. Okay, so it's about 5 minutes elapsed time, making sure that the water is nice and boiling hot. I can't see any steam. You might be able to. It's a good way to tell, but I can also hear it boiling inside. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is turn off the flame so you don't burn yourself. Get as close to the water as you can. Try a little more ice in here. It's nice and cold. Make sure this is boiling here. I think it is. What I like to do is turn the mouth away from the water so that hold some of that in there. Now the key here is to grab it down by the bottom, flip it over into the water as fast as possible. Like so. Oh, nice and steamy coming out now. Charles Law. Right before your eyes. Quick change in temperature. Very quick change in volume. Try it yourself. Good luck.